Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix your date of birth e-file reject Turbotax support video. So let's get started. First, open your web browser, then go to the Turbotax official site. Over here, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner, then log into your account. After that, make sure you're on the Turbotax homepage. Next, click on the Review option, then let Turbotax check for any issues. After that, click on Start, then proceed to the Issues section. Over here, click on See Issues, then identify the problem areas. Then look for the Personal Info section, then click on it. Over here, click on the Fix button to go to the Problem field. Finally, go to the Date of Birth field, then enter the correct date exactly as per your official documents. After that, update the information, then save your changes. Then head back to the main filing section and resubmit your e-file. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.